Catherine Bernardo update ng Ivy Day ni Catherine. Ayan, pinanggat siya, ang Dr. Ivy. Yung pagkapanalo niya sa Best Actress sa PAMAS Award.
GLP. Yes, it is super. The treatment is combo na talaga. Like, for example, GLP is nicely in combination with this. So we're doing the combo treatments now because the combo treatment actually enhances the effect of the other as well. Okay. So the effect is even better.
That's good, Doc.
Yes, very popular. Because it's really for skin rejuvenation.
How often do I need to do this?
You can do this once a month.
Okay.
When you do your GLP, you can combine it.
Okay.
Maganda siya yung combo. May light lang siya. But that light is good for contracting your blood vessels, rejuvenating your skin. It's really nice for photo rejuvenation. It like rejuvenates your skin from the inside. Improving the texture, improving the tone, the quality of your skin.
Okay.
Very nice. Yung skin ka sobrang poreless.
Dental laser for
It pays to be masipag.
Yeah.
high-tech na yun.
Actually, you're so
Ganda ni
poreless.
Catherine.
Oh my gosh, because of GLP.
Ito pa yung IG story ni Catherine. May flowers, saka yung pork KFC, vlog cat, yun o, kasama si Snowy. Ayun mga kasama ni Catherine. Yung kanyang glam team at si Alora. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update po ang Chore Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thanks for watching.